What up, beautiful traders? How you guys doing out there? Hope you guys are really making money with my strategy. Hope you guys are really cashing out in big time. Hope you're really milking the boom and crash market with my multi-bomb robot, because I keep getting a lot and a lot of testimonials coming through from that robot, guys. So today is another beautiful day. I brought to you a very powerful strategy called the Cobra strategy. This is called the Cobra strategy, guys. It's a boom and crash strategy that kills the boom and crash market. If you follow everything I'm going to tell you today, you're going to double whatever account you have. So far, the account or the fund you have can trade the boom and crash market. You're going to double it. You're going to double any account size that you have. So guys, let's start. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to first of all adjust your screen properly to this point. Keep it at this level. Keep it at this level, just in between this level here. You understand? So just keep it there. The next thing you want to do is you want to first of all know the pairs that you're going to be trading. So you're going to be trading the crash market and the boom market. So we are going to be trading the boom and crash market. So which pairs specifically do you want to focus on? You want to focus only on the boom 1000 and the crash 1000s, because they happen to be the best pairs I always recommend to all of my subscribers and my students. You understand? So that aside, now which zoom level are you going to be using? Zoom out completely and zoom in 1, 2. Just zoom out completely and zoom in twice. That's the zoom level we are going to be using for this strategy. Now, that is that. So on crash, you want to only buy, you understand, buy 3 to 5 candles on crash. You can just focus on 3 or you focus on 5. But just focus on is a 3 to 5 candlestick strategy. And on boom, you want to what? You want to sell on boom. You understand? So that is it. Now, how do you sell and how do you buy? So the first thing you want to do is this. You want to make sure that when a spike comes, the spike must be touching on crash. It must be touching the oversold level. It must be touching the 10% level. Look at it. Look at this line over here. It must be touching the 10% level. Once it's touching the 10% level, that's the first criteria. It must be touching the 10% level. Now, after it has touched the 10% level, look at on the main chart. Look at the main chart. You will see 3 lines on the main chart. Wait for the price to break above these 3 lines. Once it breaks above these 3 lines, while the indicator window 1 is still showing green, then that is a good time to enter and take 5 good candlesticks. For the continuation setup, if it has gone above like this and a spike comes, when a spike comes and it doesn't flip this way, it doesn't go red this way, then you know that it's also time to take like 3 candles right there. You take extra 3 candles. You understand? But if a spike comes and the histogram starts going this way, start going red like this, then leave it. Just know that there's going to be more spike. That is exactly what happened this other side. So at this point, you don't want to you don't want to enter in such markets. So the same thing happened here. After the spike here, then you entered, then this other spike came here, but then again it was still showing above. It was still above. Then you enter as the market breaks this level and you take 5 candles over here. So the next thing was, okay, this one didn't pass. Then we got this other one here. Just wait for it to get to, okay, this didn't get to 10%, the 10% level. So let's leave that one and go to the one that got to 10% level. Now this one is clearly sitting on the 10% level. Once you see that a spike comes in and the spike has tapped the 10% level over here on the oversold region, it has touched the oversold region. Just relax and wait for the candles to break above this 3 lines here on the main chart, while this is still showing green. Once it breaks above it, then take 5 candles. Just wait, let's just wait for where it has touched. In this case, it touched here, but on the process of trying to break past this candle, there was still a small spike here. You're not going to enter that kind of trade. You have to wait until it crosses comfortably. Once you see that it has crossed here, that is when you take your 5 candlestick. I believe that everybody must have understood this one. This is a very simple strategy to take anything, to grow any amount of money you have. Just follow exactly what I tell you. Wait for the price to get to this level. Once it gets to this level and you see that it has gotten to this 10% level on crash, just wait for it to go up. Just wait for the histogram to keep going up and wait for candles to break past these 3 lines. Now, once don't buy inside here. Don't buy. Just wait for it to cross. Once you see that it has crossed confidently or properly, then it's a good time for you to enter and take 5 candlesticks out of that market. So let's go to bull market. So on bull market, like I told you guys, what you want to do on bull market is only sell. Do not buy. This strategy is a scalping strategy. It's going to help you grow any amount of money you have. So far, you can trade. You can open a trade on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Then it's going to grow any amount you have. So what you want to do first, you want to first of all get the zoom level. Once you zoom in 1 and 2, we are using the second zoom level for this strategy. You already see where I keep my kept my screen. My screen is beautiful right there. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to know how many candles you should take. Only take just 5 candles. Most likely the market will always give you more candles, but take 5 candles. Now that one is the shortest way to grow any account size you have. So just take only 5 candlesticks. Now in this case, wait for the spike to come and let the spike get to this level. In this case, let it get to this level. Let it get to the 90 level. As you can see, it has tapped the 90 level confidently. It has tapped the 90 level. Now you just need to wait for the candles to break below the straight lines. Once the candle goes below the straight lines, then it's a very good time to enter for that trade. But while the candle is breaking below the straight lines, you also need to make sure that this histogram is showing red. If it's showing green, do not enter. Do not enter when it's showing green. That's one example. The same thing happened here. Wait for it to break through these 3 lines here. Once it breaks these 3 lines, you enter. Then in this case, let's see how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just exactly that 5 candles. Once it gives that 5 candles, if you've waited a little bit, it will catch you. That's why I say just focus on taking just 3 good candles. That's all. Do not try to do extra. Don't try to do extra. Sometimes, if you go against the strategy, it's going to hurt you. Just focus on what I told you to do. Make sure that it's touching this 90 level. As you can see, it's touching the 90 level, and the candles now broke below this level and starts selling. You understand? The same thing happened over here. And at the same thing, okay, this didn't cross. This one didn't cross. It touched the 90 level, but the candles didn't break below this other level here. It didn't break below. So you would avoid those ones that didn't break below and focus on these types. Once they break through like this, you enter for 5 candlesticks. So now I'm going to show you the settings for this strategy. Just the settings. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your tap on this level here. Once you tap there, you tap this plus sign over here. Let me just show it properly so that even if you're a newbie coming in for the first time, you will understand where I tap. You're going to tap there and add. Once you tap here, you're going to see, just scroll down all the way down to see alligator. Look at it. Look at this indicator here. That's the alligator. Just tap on the alligator right there. it will open, and make sure your jaws period is 13, your jaws shift 8, 8, your teeth period 8, then shift is 5, lips period 5, lip shift is 3. The method is smoothed. Apply to median price HL2. Then keep the colors just exactly the way I keep it, but make sure everything is 4 pixels so you can see them properly. 4 pixel all, 4 pixel blue, red, and green. Then you just click on save. So the next settings we have to look at here is on the, you also tap here. See where I normally tap, you understand? That's where I'll tap, and I'll add the relative strength index. The relative strength index will be period 7, apply to close, style 1 pixel, then put this color as the color of your background because it's not needed. Then this is where we need the levels. Go to the levels, add 70, 10, 50, 90, 30, and 20. Now the 10 level, make it oversold. Just label it oversold. Then the 70 level should be overbought. Right, just click on save. This window will be saved. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go and add one more indicator, which is the awesome oscillator. So tap here and go straight down, go down to the extreme. This is awesome oscillator at this point. That's awesome oscillator. This is awesome oscillator here. Once you tap on it, it's going to show. Then you're not going to do a lot of things. Just make sure that this pixel is 4 pixel. This is the color we are using. The value up is green. The value down is red. Click on save, and you will have exactly stuff like this. So let me take one trade now that I'm seeing the opportunity. So I'm actually doing this on a $15 account, so everybody can see how it works. So no matter how small your account is, you guys are going to see that this actually works on a small account. I'm going to wait for the candles to roll in, right? So let's wait. It's all right, guys. So I've been able to take 5 candles right now, and I'm closing out this position. I'm closing all the trades right now. So I've closed all positions. So as you can see right in your front, we just turned $15 to $17. So you can do this over and over again. You can do this over and over again with my strategy. You understand? So with that being said, if you're new around this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified each and every single time I post powerful strategies, robots, and indicators for you to make money. And also remember to invite your friends. Let's make money together.